Over the last 2 weeks, WTOL 11 brought you nonstop coverage of the BGSU hazing trial death of Stone Foltz. We were live at the Wood County Courthouse for opening arguments and brought you live coverage of the jury's final verdict on Friday. Chase Bachman joins us live in studio for a recap. Chase?
Well, Kaylee, yesterday a jury decided Jacob Krinn and Troy Henrickson were not guilty of most of the serious charges they faced in the 2021 hazing death of Pi Kappa Alpha pledge Stone Foltz. A charge of involuntary manslaughter in the first degree could have brought with it more than a decade of prison time. Regardless, the two were found guilty of hazing and failing to comply with underage alcohol laws. Now, here's the interesting part. Governor DeWine signed Collin's law in July last year, going into effect in October. This is the law making hazing a third-degree felony, but the investigation into Stone's death was already underway, and Krinn and Henrickson were charged with misdemeanors. Meanwhile, Bowling Green State University has been much tougher on hazing in the year following Foltz's death. The university has expelled or suspended 4 Greek organizations, including Pi Kappa Alpha. Other universities are cracking down on Greek life as well. The University of Toledo lists 8 groups as being unrecognized. 4 chapters are listed as suspended at Ohio University, and Miami University lists 3 chapters as being suspended for violations of the Code of Student Conduct. Wood County prosecuting attorney Paul Dobson was asked if Stone Foltz family had any consolation knowing that Collin's law is passed now, and some of the charges Krinn and Henrickson were convicted of would be felonies today.
And that's exactly what they said, that we're glad that this has resulted in moving that criminal charge forward and that bill, and as they told me, they're not going to give up the fight, and neither will we.
Krinn and Henrickson will be sentenced at different times in July. 6 other members of the fraternity also pled guilty to charges relating to Foltz's case. They are scheduled to be sentenced in June. Reporting live in studio tonight, Chase Bachman for WTOL 11. Kaylee?
To look back on all of our past stories, be sure to check out what we have posted right now at WTOL.com.